Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Park the Honda CRV on level ground, set the parking brake, and block the rear wheels. Use a 2-ton floor jack to lift the front, then place 2 jack stands rated 2 tons under the subframe. Never rely on the jack alone. Open the hood and disconnect the negative battery cable using a 10 mm wrench. Wait 5 minutes to clear ECU memory and reduce shock risk. Wear safety glasses and gloves, and only work once the engine is cool to avoid burns from the exhaust and manifold. Rotate the belt tensioner clockwise with a 14 mm socket on the square drive to relieve tension and slip the serpentine belt off the alternator pulley. Inspect the belt for cracks and replace if worn. Disconnect the electrical plug on the alternator, then remove the main output nut and harness using a 10 mm or 12 mm wrench. Support the alternator with one hand, then remove the 12 mm top and 14 mm lower mounting bolts. Keep track of bolts and shims and prevent the alternator from dropping. Position the replacement alternator into the bracket, align the holes, and thread the 12 mm and 14 mm mounting bolts by hand to avoid cross-threading. Then torque both bolts to 22 ft-lb. Reattach the alternator electrical connector and tighten the output nut to factory snugness. Then route the serpentine belt on the pulleys and rotate the tensioner to reinstall the belt, ensuring proper alignment and no slack. Reconnect the negative battery. Start the engine and confirm charging voltage with a multimeter reader.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.